Okay, what is in my gym bag? I don't trust nobody. Body wipes. I don't play about the stank. I don't play about the stank. Hello? Do you feel me? I don't play about the stank. Hey, hi. Hey guys, I always keep some gadgets in here. Do you feel me? I'm always recording. And yes, I'm using my trusty DJI mic. Hey. Okay. What is in my gym bag? What do I take to the gym? I usually take this bag. Okay, I feel like it might be a little too big, but
whatever. A girl has a lot of stuff in here.
Okay, so I usually always bring pre-workout. This stays in the bag. Okay, this is my pre-workout of choice right now. Headphones. Usually these are my go-tos. If I forget these, I do have AirPods. I always am stretching, so I'll bring my slider. Disc sliders. What these are called? I always bring my own resistance bands. I have the thick ones, and then I have these ones, 3 and 3. I also bring my own, doing cable kickbacks and stuff like that. I bring my own attachments. I don't know what these are called, but they go around your ankles and stuff like that. I also wrap my knees when I lift. Usually I do, sometimes I don't, but I have my own. Y'all, I come prepared. Okay. Also another resistance band. I usually use this for like full body or my upper body. And then I don't use these too often, but these help you lift weights. If it's too heavy, you just kind of like put it around the bar like that, and with your hands, and you just lift. But I don't use these. I always stay with some sort of spray, okay, body spray, deodorant, and I also keep 1 to 3 perfumes on me. I do not play. So I do keep a light in here, my workout gloves, the body wipes. I put them in a smaller bag. Also have other body wipes. I don't play about the stank. I don't play about the stank. Why is that not in your bag? I got combs, baby hairs, because y'all know I'm black. Hello? A wireless remote, just in case I need to record. I do bring a tripod. This is actually the tripod that I was using to record, but the tripod is being used. And I also bring disposable washcloths with me, because you just never freaking know. I always bring a lock. I don't trust nobody. I don't trust nobody. I don't trust nobody. Why is that not in your bag? Most of the time I do walk around with my bag. It just depends. I'm a natural hair girly. So when I don't have my hair done and I'm just wearing it natural, whether it's pulled back or whatever, I have leave-in conditioner mixed with water, and I spray that in my hair at the end of my workout. I have some extra pair of panties, and just in case, tampon, and I always have water on me, my DJI mics, and my cameras. So on certain days, I'll switch out my items that are in my bag. But yeah, y'all, any other gym rats want to share what they bring in their bag? I don't know if I'm extra. I just wanted to make this quick little video. And if you stayed to the end, thanks for watching. Shout out to everybody who's in the gym getting their body right. Yeah, what's in your gym bag? What's in that gym bag? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Hello?